Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the conversation between the data types in this tutorial. We all know there are several data types in our Python language: integer, float, str, etc. Now, if sometimes happens like that, if we want to convert one data type to another data type, then we use some functions like that: float, int, str. Okay, let's see how we convert our data types using the functions. Now, here in the first line of this code, we see that this 5 is an integer number, but we want to transfer it. We want to transfer it into the float number. So we write that print float 5. This float is a function. Within this function, we first just like a parameter 5, and it's convert the 5 into a float number. And similarly, in this second line, we will convert one floating number 10.6 into an integer number. You also convert in the third line, you also convert it in minus 10.6 into the integer number. You will see like that. I don't write print here because of in case of the notebook, you just like this write the statement, it can automatically print this one. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, you see, in from the for the first line we'll get 5.0, it's a floating number. For the second line 10.6, we'll convert it into the int, and it takes the 10 only, and in case of the third line minus 10 is taken. Okay, guys, you can see how to convert the floating number to an integer number, how to convert integer number to a floating number. Next, come forward. In the second code, we will see how to convert a floating number to a string number. Okay, to a string. How to convert a float to a string, string to a float. Okay, and in this case we have to put a compatible values. Okay, what do you mean by compatible value? Okay, in this line number 3, we want to convert one p. There is no existence of p in case of the number system. Okay, so let's see, if I run this code, you can see there is an error. You can see there is an error for the line number 3. Okay, you can see there is an error for line number 3. So in this case 1p is not a compatible value. Okay, in the for the first line 2.5 is converted into a 2.5 in floating number, and if you want to convert the 25, that's an integer number, into a string, and if we see the type of the string value, you'll see the class str. Because of we convert the 25 into the str format in the line of third case, like that we give a uncompatible value. Okay, we give a uncompatible value, so it's produce an error. If we run with 0 1 0, that's no error can be occur. That's it print 10 as well. Okay, let's see, we have to put a compatible value in the functions parameter. Okay, we can convert one sequence to another like that. We all know there is more other data types like set, tuple, dictionary also, and we can convert the set. We can list also. There is list also. We can convert a list to a set, convert a set to a tuple, and convert a string to a list also. Okay, you'll see when I run this code, you'll see for the first line we produce an output like that. We convert a list 1 2 3 into a set. In the second, we convert a set to a tuple, and in the third we convert a string to a list. Okay, take the list function and pass this hello from the function parameter through the function parameter. Okay. In the last one, we want to convert the list into the dictionary and the tuple list to a dictionary. Okay, how to convert this elements are in a dictionary. Okay, we all know in case of dictionary we store the value as in key pair value. So we need a key and we need a value. So for that, we just write it down like that. The first one is treated as a key and the second one is treated as a value. Okay, if we run this, we'll see here for the particular key 1, the value is 2 because 1 comma 2 we'll written like that 1 comma 2. So for that, 1 is a key, it's treated as a key, and 2 is treated as a value. So in the second one, we'll treat it 3 as a key and 26 as a value. So guys, you all know how we convert our types, data types into a different data types. So if you guys feel okay with that, you can share my video towards your friends and subscribe my channel.